Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to take 3D pictures using the Spatial Photo for example, the Apple Vision Pro. If you open the camera application in your device, you can see a lot of cool features: portrait, spatial panorama, etc. This, as you can see, most of the camera. Select spatial, and now if you take your phone, you can just pick an object, but it has to, as you can see, be very far away, and just click this circular button. The photo will be taken, and personally you can here record the videos, but we wanted to just learn how to take the 3D pictures. But of course, here I'm indoor and I'm just taking a photo of my desk, so it won't work. But if you are somewhere where you can just take a photo for the 3D, you can just click and voila, that's it. So actually that's it. If you want to see how it works, just take a photo by yourself and in the, for example, outdoor environment, and let me know in the comment section down below how this looks like. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.